GettySwiss banks have launched a crackdown against some of their rogue Saudi Arabian clients. The move, seen by critics as an attempt to distance themselves from any financial crimes, has seen the European banking hub taking the extraordinary step of reporting customers carrying out suspicious transactions to the Swiss Money Laundering Reporting Office, part of the Federal Police Service. Swiss lawyers handed over a dossier of information on rogue clients last week, a source told the Financial Times. Regulators said that the banks had made the move to appear more transparent after bin Salman launched his probe into corruption in Saudi Arabia last month. Since the first week of November, 201 people have been taken into custody by Saudi authorities in a sweep that investigators said had uncovered at least $100 billion in corruption. The detainees include cabinet ministers, members of the royal family and the owners of 3 TV networks that are among the largest in the Middle East. The crackdown that began on November 4 initially targeted 11 princes, 38 officials, military officers as well as business leaders. An estimated 1,700 individual bank accounts have been frozen. Many of the country's most high-profile businessmen were held at the opulent Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Riyadh. Bin Salman, the country's heir to the throne, said his aim was to stop the widespread corruption plaguing the kingdom. And while Swiss banks are sworn to secrecy regarding their clients' activities, they have a duty to report suspicious transactions. AFP Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman launched a probe into corruption in Saudi Arabia last month. So far, none of the recent reports have led to prosecutions. The Office of the Swiss Attorney General told the FT, as is standard procedure, incoming information is currently being assessed. At this time, criminal proceedings in this connection have not been opened. The Swiss banks have confirmed that they are organizing cash transfers on behalf of some of their clients who have been arrested in Crown Prince bin Salman's probe. Many are keen to settle the allegations leveled against them quickly. GettySwiss refused to comment on whether or not it had accounts owned by Saudi clients. A large number of high-profile businessmen from the Gulf state have used the Alpine country to stash vast amounts of cash in accounts over the past 30 or 50 years, a source said. The Crown Prince expects to claw back around £74 billion, $100 billion, in his anti-corruption sting. The Gulf state has asked international banks to confirm whether they have accounts or safety deposit boxes in the name of the arrested, the FT reports. Credit Suisse said it had not been impacted. Banking giant UBS refused to comment.